gonna roll now. This is what it looks like when no one's really gonna help you because you've overwhelmed yourself with a bunch of broken cars. Lucky for me, the Audi was moved by the Passat all the way from back there. Then this, see that tire print? The Jetta with flat tires. Well, not really flat. That's a flat tire. Well, this is how I do it. When you're by yourself, when you're kind of embarrassed to ask for help because you're like, you messed up. I messed up. Anyway, look, this is how we move the car. Tool against the fence. Come along. I already moved it mostly with the good old tool. Tools are cool. I'm gonna take it all the way because I need all the room. All the room I could get. This one's a little bit more sophisticated. This come along's kind of hard to use. Let me see if I could loosen it. I think. Oh wait, you gotta put a little bit of pressure on it. And flick the switch. And then probably would be a good instructional video on how to use this tool, but honestly, I don't know how to use it. It's just a bunch of buttons, and see, this one's more old school, so you can kind of see how it loosens. But then I have this with the bolts on it. Really used to. Lizards. Leaping lizards. You hear that noise? It's a rod knock. But that's just how it goes. You know, it's like when you buy cars and don't get the right information, that's what you're going to end up doing. And hopefully I have that key. Where's the stupid key? Oh, look it. maybe I should make a phone call. Ask somebody. Hello? Hello? Because I'm gonna... Anyways. Frick. Anyways, I can't... Because this... I can't move this car if it's in park. It's already got low tires. Anyways. Rod knock. There's a beehive in this tree over here. So I tried to move the Audi away from the beehive because I do plan on working on this. Hopefully tomorrow, but I don't know. For now, this is how I moved it. I kind of want to start this too, but the car's in neutral. Now all I have to do is get all this cable off of this, so I could move the Passat a couple feet forward, and yeah, and then I could work on the Audi. So that's what I'm doing right now. So that's the plan. I'm gonna detach all this cable, and I got like another extra feet. So. There's a lizard right there, look. I'm gonna make it move. Move, lizard. There it is, there it is, there it is. There's lizards all over this. You must like it here. I don't know why. Lizard. Leaping lizard. This whole car was covered with that. It was. I just took the recycle right now to the.
Can you come on? Because I want to get in the shower.
Oh, okay.
And these are trash too.
Okay. You don't think they're.